This is a friendly reminder to pull out your camera and set aside a day to either have a time lapse or take pictures periodically throughout the day to see where the sun is tracking across what your current garden bed is, or where you might be considering to have a new bed. You might not have the ability to overwinter like we do here in the low desert of Arizona, but it's something to consider when you're doing that planning right now. And we're just past the winter solstice, the shortest day of the year. So you're getting just an idea how well will your garden do, depending on if you have some shade, if you have other things around the garden where you are impacted by other factors other than just the sun. The irony is not lost on me that I'm filming this on a cloudy day. And some of you may be laughing because here in Arizona, we rarely have this many clouds, rain, whatever. It's just been a really wet winter, and you might be sick of the clouds and wondering, when are you going to see the sun? But when you do get a chance, definitely take it and try to get a time lapse or take those shots throughout the day. Now you can see for yourself what I did earlier in December when it was closer to the winter solstice is you can see that the sun is coming across at a shallower angle, and I kind of got lucky, especially on this one bed where the house is definitely blocking more of the southern part of the yard. I say lucky, but I mean, there was a little bit of consideration knowing that that is where it was more likely to get sun, but not realizing how little sun that same space would get during the winter. Sun is the one thing that you can't change once you have your bed in place. Here's a bonus. If you happen to take your time-lapse video on Christmas Eve, you might even get a chance to see something just a little bit magical. If you can catch them, take your video, have a little bit more information, and have a more successful winter, spring, or summer garden. Thanks for watching.